If your computer is slow, and you want a good speed like Mac operating system, then watch this video till end. Delete all the shortcut present on your desktop you don't know but they affect your computer speed. Select all the app present on your desktop and press delete button. Unselect recycle bin. You need to permanently delete all the shortcuts. You never notice that your wallpaper also affect your computer screen, so you need to apply the Windows 10 default wallpaper. Right click on the Windows button and click on Run, then type temp and press enter. Don't worry, it's just your temporary files. Select all and delete it. Permanently deleted from recycle bin. Again open the run bar and type refetch, then press enter. Select all and delete it. Don't worry, it will not harm your computer. Skip the files which can't be deleted. Permanently deleted from recycle bin. Again come to run, then press %temp, then press enter. Select all and delete it. Skip the files which can't be deleted. You must have a good power management. To make it, right click on the battery symbol and enter power management. Click on create your own plan. Then select high performance. This can suck your battery a lot. Many systems are not able to run fast because of new continuous coming Windows update. To disable it, again open Run, and press Services, MSC. Find Windows Update at last of the window. Go to Properties and select Startup Type as Disable. Type disk cleanup in the search bar and press enter. Click on OK. Select all the files in the dialog box and click on OK. It will take time. Wait until it finishes up the loading. Search notification and press enter. Stopping all the notification. Prevent your PC from hang. Uncheck get notification. Right click on the desktop. Click on personalize. Come to colors and turn off transparency effect. Click on Windows logo and type this PC. Right click on it and go to properties. Click on advanced system settings. In performance click on settings. Now click on adjust for best performance, then apply. Come to new Windows setting. Then go to on update and security, then find recovery. If your PC is not running fast after all other methods, then try this. This will erase your old data and give you a brand new PC. But this is dangerous for your data. Try it on your own risk. All antivirus you are using, delete it. All these remove the virus but slow down your PC. Your default Windows security is the best.